Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Discord profile image. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'm doing this on the PC app, but if you're on mobile, it's pretty much the same. Launch Discord. Click the User Settings button at the bottom left of the screen beside your username. In the User Settings page, click on the Edit button here where it displays your email. You can now click on the avatar to change it. Select the image you would like to use. You can crop and adjust the image size here and then click Apply. Finally, click Save. Your Discord profile image has now been updated, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.